Hey everybody, it's your boy Dino Dean and the First Lady of Food,
Miss CRAWDA.
and we're the Black Foodies. And guys, right now we are here in Central City, here in New Orleans, and we're going to be going down a culinary road that you've never been down before. Here with Chef Jeff Hurd. Hurd That Kitchen is the name of his spot. Guys, let's go get it in. And guys, I am sitting here with chef and owner of Hurd That Kitchen, Jeffrey Hurd. What's going on, big brother?
How we doing? Good to see you.
Yes, sir. Tell us about some of the specialties you're going to be serving for us today.
Okay, we're gonna start with my signature dish, what is called a super dome. It's a sauteed fish with lobster whipped potatoes and lobster cream sauce. We finished off with corn and crispy onion rings. So my theme here is gourmet food to go. Is what I specialize in.
Gourmet food to go, guys. We're about to get it in right now and check out some of the delicacies from Jeff Hurd. Starting to rain out here, guys. We got to get up in here. We'll see you in a few. Chef Jeff, tell us about this dish. What's it called?
Okay, this is my signature dish. It's called that super dome. It's a sauteed red fish. It's topped with a lobster whipped potatoes. We have a little bit of fresh crispy corn, the lobster and fennel bechamel sauce, finished with the crispy onion rings.
Well, I'm going to dig right on in. I'm going to start off with this onion ring.
See, the onion ring is to give it some texture. So the fish is soft and moist, the sauce is the potatoes as well. So we had to add the onion rings to give it a component of crunchiness for the texture.
Absolutely. And perfectly seasoned. The dredge that you use is phenomenal. And I'm going to try this fish now. Oh, man. Very good, very good. And these are the potatoes?
Yes, it's the lobster with potatoes.
Lobster with potatoes, and I'm going to try it with this lobster. Chef, you shutting it down, brother. You shutting it down. I can't get enough of this right here. Phenomenal job, brother. Phenomenal job.
Chef Jeff, tell me about this dish here.
This dish here is called my SKEESH wings. What they are is deep fried wings, and it's tossed in my SKEESH sauce, which is actually a Creole tomato gastrique. And then it's finished with our crawfish fries that is very popular. It's crawfish cream sauce with a little bit of fresh basil and garlic and cheddar cheese.
So where'd you get the name SKEESH from?
The name SKEESH actually comes from my son. He's a rapper, and it's a term that he used to say that everything is on point, it's great, it's awesome, it's a SKEESH.
Wonderful.
It's a winner.
Let me go ahead and try this. It's crunchy dread.
So at the same time, it has a little bit of spice to it, a little sweetness,
Perfect.
and a little
Perfect
tang
combination.
as well from the gastrique.
Okay. This is so good. So delicious. Fries again.
Okay, it's my signature cream sauce, what is just a basil and fresh cream and crawfish tails.
Oh, I can tell these fries are nice and crunchy. Oh my gosh. These are phenomenal. Yes. I mean, this Creole sauce on the crawfish is like so tasty.
Great. I'm
This
glad
is
you
really
enjoyed
good.
it.
And
Yes,
there's
good.
cheese sauce on here too.
Yes, it is.
Guys, this is so different. So you got to get down here and try these.
And guys, right now we are going to try Chef Jeff's award-winning Bourbon Street Love fried chicken, and it has the crawdad cheese and the cream sauce, guys. I'm gonna try it right now. And it also comes with mac and cheese as well. And I'm about to get it in. I'm gonna start off with this mac and cheese. Matter of fact, since this is my love, Miss Coretta, I'm gonna feed it to you. Tell me what you think.
I love you.
I love you
so
too.
Good. This is.
But I'm loving this mac and cheese as well. Off the chain. Oh my goodness.
It is good.
And I'm gonna be so bogus, you can't have no more. This is all mine.
Let's try this chicken.
Let's try the try the chicken.
And crunch. I'm gonna feed this to you, honey.
Okay. I see why it's award winning. Crunchy on the outside, very juicy on the inside, guys. Top 5 fried chickens I've ever had. I'm telling you right off top. This is excellent. Chef, you better than Popeye.
Well, I want some of this potato salad because I love potato salad. Nice and creamy. You do some really good potato salad, Chef Jeff.
Guys, make sure you come down here to Chef Jeff's spot here on Felicity Street. You gotta get it in, guys. It is absolutely going on.
They call me the dessert queen, so Chef, tell us real quick about this dessert here.
Okay, this is a traditional New Orleans dessert. It's a bread pudding. It's topped with a little bit of crunchy shortbread crumbles, conventional sugar, and finished with a caramel cream sauce.
Oh my goodness. This is so good. Nice, and the nice consistency of the bread. It's really good. And then the breadcrumbs,
Shortbread crumbles.
shortbread crumbs, just add, makes a nice little extra touch to it. This, you gotta come try.
And guys, right now we are going to give you our recap on Heard That Kitchen. And as you guys know, our ranking system goes off of kisses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 being the best. Ready, Miss Coretta?
I'm ready.
1 kiss. 2 kisses. 3 kisses. 4 kisses. 4 3/4 kisses, guys. Heard That Kitchen got it going on. Y'all heard your boy give it to you in the raw. Guys, you definitely have to make your way down here close to the Superdome. And when you guys come down here for Essence Fest, come on over and holler at your boy, Chef Jeff.
Yeah. And if you have a restaurant you want us to review, email us at theblackfoodies@gmail.com.
theblackfoodies@gmail.com. And we are out of here, baby. Starting to rain again. Hurricane Harvey remnants.
Bye.
One love.